Let's now study the project that we have to do, handwriting to text with Azure AI Vision. So this project we have a handwritten file. This is a scanned file or photographed file, and this is the desired output that we want. The handwriting, I am a casual writer. Weather is very pleasant. So this dropped and this dropped is one error, is this one small error that has occurred, but it's probably due to a bad handwriting. So this is the project that we are doing, and we have the solution explorer. The solution explorer for the ASP.NET Core project. This project, this has already been completed. Today we are showing how it works, but in the later tutorial we'll explain also what all these files, all these lines are. A brief explanation will be there because you will have to understand a lot yourself also. The pages folder, it contains small files, models folder, databases. So you are mostly aware of all this. So this is a project that we have already done, and we are now today going to show its working. For that, let's click in the debug mode so that we can see it working. The home page opens AI tool for handwriting to text. Please enter your email. So in this email will be OTP will be sent to email ID. The user will automatically be registered. Get OTP. So some sort of OTP is emailed, and during testing we have set the OTP as 1234, and the user enters 1234, enter OTP. This page will open. The user is authenticated, and these are some limits for the file to be uploaded. Choose file, and this is a WhatsApp photo that I took of the handwritten note. So this is to be opened. We'll open it, and then we click on upload. This is automatically sent to Azure website. The code you will see in the future tutorials. This is the whole story that we have obtained. So this is the whole project. This is how it's going to run. We'll explain it in later tutorials. Thank you. We will be creating an Azure AI services for computer vision resource. So let's see all the steps. Go to Chrome, open Google Azure login, and Microsoft Azure Office site. Click it to visit it. This type of page opens. Scroll down. So try Azure or create an account or sign in. Like I have already got an account, so I'll sign in. And when I sign in, this sort of page should open, and on the search you should type computer vision. Type computer vision, and this resource I already have. You should use create to create a new resource. When you click create computer vision will open, and I will quickly take you through the steps. In the subscription, you will have to select some free tier for testing. This is for testing, and then in a resource group you can add an already existing resource. I already have create new subscription, so you can use this, or you can create a new one, you just need a name. So you can create a new one, it doesn't matter. Then another details have to be entered. Select the region. You will see your nearest region in the list. Select your nearest region and type a name for your resource. I will type my hyphen with okay, I'll type my CV. You can type any valid one. And in the pricing tier, select free once again. Wait. In the pricing tier, we select the free tier once again. So be careful here. This is important. You should check the billing and pricing at your time when you are watching this video, because sometimes charges are incurred. Be careful. Scroll down. Then there is a checkbox, and you should read this AI notice and read all this. If you are satisfied, tick mark, and then review plus create. Single click will get your resource created after some time. So this is the resource. In our case it should be H-C-V, but I already created this one, so I am showing this one. Then we have certain data associated with this. Again, the pricing tier is free. This endpoint will be required, and these manage keys will be used, but I'll get these by scrolling down. There is a section keys and endpoint. So this is the main part, the main thing that we need. You read this, and this key or this key 2, both of them will work. You can use either of them, copy either of them, your location and then endpoint. This is one thing you will need, and the second thing is one of the two keys. So two things we need, one this or this one. Copy them somewhere, we'll need them in our project. So these are the only things you need, and I'll close it right now. So this is what you will need. Thank you. So let's see the explanation of the source code. We are explaining the source code. The explanation is of which file is where type, and you will have to take time to understand the things yourself. It's difficult to explain, and each and every concept can't be explained in a short video. So let's see. This will be the login page. I have already shown this, but let's recall. And this will be the main page. Here the user will upload the file to be converted. We have to explain the code for this. We have the solution explorer, the program.cs file. I'll wrap it. This is the list of NuGet packages that you have to install. Install these. So this is important. Then I have given a link to API documentation so that you can do further study also. Scrolling down, We'll slowly scroll down to see what the things are. We have the builder, add Razor pages, project context. This project context is for OTP and user data. Then we have Razor pages. There is authorization on index page. The main page can be accessed by authorized user only. This is authentication. We have set cookie scheme for authentication, the login path, access denied path, expiry time for the cookie, and other settings. Necessary settings I have already done. Then service for authorization, build the use authentication and all the basic plumbing. Then we scroll down. Then we have this for create of databases. Database, in fact, one file is there, and migration also. So you can study this part. It's already in working mode. So this is the program.cs file. It's not a big file in our case. Then we have the pages folder. We'll start with the login page. So this is the login CS HTML markup file. Let's scroll down to see the various parts. This is the email form, the boxes where we enter the email. This is the get OTP button. Scrolling further, we have the enter OTP button, and this is the whole file. After this, let's see the backing class also. This is the backing class for the login page. So this is the backing class for the login page. Let's scroll down. These are the various functions, the methods. Let's specifically look at the onGet. The onGet, when the page loads, if the user is already authenticated, then if he is already authenticated, then we take him to the index page. We redirect directly to the index page. After this, let's scroll down to the post when the form is posted. The post method, and we create a customer. If it doesn't exist, use the email ID to create the new customer. Then we have the OTP. This OTP is hard coded, but you will generate a random OTP. We are hard coding 1234 for tutorial. Random OTP, then validity of OTP is 3 minutes. Send OTP to customer through any email service. We haven't shown it here, but you will have to do this in a real project. And here, if the OTP is verified, the validity and the actual OTP, if they match, then we create an authentication ticket, claim containing username, then claims identity, then sign in async, then redirect to the home page, otherwise access denied. And next, let us have a look at the index page, the markup for the main page. Here the extracted lines of text are displayed, and we have used bootstrap classes for formatting. and we can scroll further down. No text was found, and the button, and then we have the file upload control, the file upload control and the upload button, file upload, then the upload button, the submit for upload. So this is, and after that we have error message or back to home button, whatever, and then we have access denied page. On this page a message will be shown if you haven't received email, bad OTP. After this is the view start file, the usual boilerplate, view imports. Inside the shared we have the layout page that contains the HTML frame, head tag, body tag, then this is the user ID shown, and placeholder for the pages like login and index page. We have kept things rather simple. Then we have models customer.cs, fields for customer email ID, last OTP, OTP validity, OTP valid till, and you can add more fields as per your requirements. Then we have the project context. Inside the project context we have the database directory, this one where database is created, and the DB set for customers and the SQLite database has been used. Migrations we have already applied, these will be in the downloads, and database is created in this folder. Let's come back to the index backing class. Here I wanted to show you, you will have to store your keys in environment variables, Azure services, or other more secure options. Hard coding is not recommended for production. So this is the endpoint I have hard coded here. You will get a empty double quotes for key also. You will have to your own endpoint as you receive from the portal, and similarly here your own key you have to substitute, but don't do this for production. It is only for tutorial purposes. Hard coding is not recommended. After this the usual code is there. You can go through the whole story for the file upload, etc. I don't think it will be very difficult. Let's run it quickly. This is the page that opens the login page. Enter your email, get OTP. The OTP is hard coded as 1234. Enter OTP, and now you can choose your file. We'll get the WhatsApp photo and then upload. The moment you upload, it is converted by the Azure service. So this whole story you can see. I'll close it right now. Thank you.